Okay, next up, graph question. So graph question, how do you find the value of P and Q? So they are all your Y values. So when the X value is 0 and 4. So all you need to do is to substitute in. Equation tells you the relationship between Y and X. So this is the relationship, and when X is 0, just substitute in when X is 0, and you get the answer, the value of Y is equal to 0 also. So this is the value of P. Likewise, we have the equation again. And now the value of X is 4. So I substitute in 4, type in your calculator, and you get the answer 4. So that's why the value of Y is your Q. So the answer is 0, 4. Then with this, we can do our drawing of the graph. So the first one, negative 1, 6, 0, 4, 1, 1, 6, 0, 0. This becomes 0. And 1, 4, and so on and so forth. So with that, we can actually start to do our graph. So the first one is negative 1, 0. No, negative 1, 6. Negative 1, negative 6. Second one is 0, 0. So that will be here. Next one will be 1, 4, which will be here. Followed by 2, 6. 3, 6, 4, 4, 5, 0, and 6, negative 6. Then with this, you need to connect with a line. Alright, so for the purpose, you should always draw using pencil. Okay? You should draw using pencil. But because I'm showing a demonstration, so I'm doing using pen. Alright, you can use a flexible ruler. So you just need to hold it there. Ideally, if you can connect 3 points. Then that will be a more smooth graph rather than just looking at 2 points and then you end up with a lumpy graph. So I'm going to connect these 3 graphs first. Oh, this one is actually here. So I'm going to connect this point. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you need to hold it there. Okay, if need to, you can actually use 2 hands first. Then later on, replace it by one hand. And then hold it, and then connect the lines. Okay? Then since it's symmetrical, it's the other side the same thing. So actually you could have just turned it away. No need to reconstruct the shape. Okay, alright. Just connect. Okay, then on top, then slowly connect them. So this is the shape that I should get. Okay, it should come out from this original curve here. So I should bend it together. So just connect them. And the other side. Okay, one thing to take note of is this. This is not flat. So it's actually slightly curved here. So, yep. Then that's how you get your thing. That's why you can see for yourself. Always draw in pencil. You do in pen, then you see all these are irreversible. So once you do this, you get your 2 marks very easy. Alright. Ideally, for a good answer, you should also label your graph y equal to 5x minus x squared. So with this, we can now answer the next question, which is find the maximum value of y. So the y value, this is supposed to be connected. Right. So not supposed to do this way. So you're supposed to use pencil, then redraw this part. Okay, so the highest value of y, so will be here. So it corresponds to here. So that will be each square is 0.2, so it will be 6.2. So with that you can answer 6.2. So this is the maximum value of y. And then to get the value of x when y equal to 2, so you just need to look at your graph. Okay, when the value of y is equal to 2, so this is y equal to 2, right? So it hit this point. So that is the point we are looking at. Okay, to make it easier for you, I'm using a different color. But of course in exam, everything have to be in pencil. You're supposed to use a ruler. Okay, it's just because I want to be fast, so I just do like that. And just to demo anyway. So this one, then you just count. Each square is 0.1. So this will be 0.5. And this will be around 4.6. So it's just based on your diagram. So 0.5, 4.6. Alright, everybody will get different answer. the correct answer should have been 0.45 and 4.55, but if your answer is around there, then you are okay. So my answer was actually, when I just now draw, it was 0.5 and 4.6 is okay. Plus minus 0.1 is accepted. So my answer is perfectly within the plus minus 0.1 of the range. Okay, so my answer 0.5 and 4.6 is correct. Okay, then that's it.